and welcome. And to all of my new subscribers, I would like to thank you personally for only viewing my videos. It means a lot to me and it makes me want to create more content based on facts and reality. Anything that I share in my recovery videos is based on what I am experiencing personally in my recovery experience. It's meant to educate people on what they might go through and what the consequences are of substance abuse. It is not promoting self-harm. It is promoting being positive and fighting and gaining your life back. And then there's another topic that I would really like to address, and it's the fact that sometimes you feel the need to comment. Feel free to do so. Share your beliefs in any way possible, but please do not try to say that the end times will not come, because why would God save us and then destroy us? Because the Bible says God saved us. The Bible says also that we are going to be our own downfall. And we are going to wipe out ourselves. He doesn't have to do that because we are doing it. Look at COVID. Look at all the other things. We are doing it, not him. Don't blame him for your wrongdoing. And that the Bible also says that just before the human nation will become nearly as intelligent as God himself, then that's when the end times are going to come, but there will be small signs. Those are my beliefs, and you don't need to take them